talk to you about the most expensive mistake I'm watching executives make with AI right now. It's not a bad prompt or hallucinated output. It's something much more costly. You sit down with an LLM, you spend 40 minutes working through a problem. Maybe you're refining a prompt, maybe you're building a workflow, maybe you're pressure testing a strategy. At some point, it clicks. The model gives you something genuinely useful, something you'd pay a consultant to produce. You use it, and then later you close the tab. That work is gone. Next month, when you need it again, you will rebuild it from scratch. And here's the part that should bother you. You will not remember the version that worked. You'll remember that something worked. You won't remember what. So here's this week's weekly command. 3 minutes every time. Step one, before you leave any meaningful AI session, ask the model to summarize itself. The prompt is simple. You say something like, summarize what we built together in this conversation. Include the goal, the final prompt or workflow that worked, what I tried that didn't work and why, and when I would reuse this. Format it so I can paste it into a reference document. There's the prompt. That's it. The model does the distillation work for you. You don't have to remember anything. You just have to ask. Step two, file it somewhere real, not your downloads folder, not your desktop. Build an AI toolkit folder with real subfolders, prompts that worked, workflows, research and analysis, drafts and templates. And this one matters. Keep experiments that failed. Keep the failures. They teach you faster than the wins do. They do for me anyway. Name each file with a date and a short description so you can actually find it later. Step three, and I need you to hear me on this one, because this is where I see smart people make sloppy mistakes. If your AI summaries include client names, deal terms, board materials, or anything under NDA, that folder cannot live in a consumer drive, something that syncs on your drive. Not a Dropbox personal, not Dropbox personal, not a Google Drive that's logged into your kid's iPad, for goodness sake. That folder needs to be an encrypted, access controlled location with multi-factor authentication. And before you save anything, strip the identifying details. Replace client names with roles and labels. Treat these summaries the way you treat any other confidential business record, because that's exactly what they are. If you're a fractional executive, if you sit on boards, if you handle anything sensitive, this is not optional. This is table stakes, working with an AI as a professional. Okay, now here's why this is worth doing. Month one, you have a folder. That's it. Not much to look at. Month three, you have a personal playbook that no consultant can sell you, no competitor can copy, because it was built on your problems and your wins. By month six, you're not using AI anymore. You're running a system. The executives who win this decade, this year, are not the ones with the best prompts. They're the ones who remember the prompts they already wrote. And if you're in my paid community, my own AI toolkit folder is open to you. Prompts, the workflows, the failed experiments I kept because they taught me something, all of it structured exactly the way I just described. Log in and take whatever you like. It comes with any membership level. $10 a month, $100 a month, $2,500 a month. My AI toolkit is right there for you. Here's your assignment this week. Build your own folder. Empty is fine. You're building the folder. That's the weekly command. The next time an AI session gives you something that worked, something you really liked, run the ritual. 1, 2, 3, and then come back and tell me what you filed first. I read every comment. Command the room. Own the archive. And let's make it an extraordinary week, shall we?